If you want to move data to the secure folder or from the secure folder on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all, we need to go to our secure folder. So we need to open it. There we go. Now, once you have the secure folder opened, if you want to transfer data to the secure folder, you can simply use this plus button in the bottom right corner and then choose Add Files. And then you can choose whatever you want to transfer to the secure folder, and you can decide if you want to move completely or just copy these files. And of course, if you want to, you can select multiple files at once. So just press and hold your finger and then keep selecting, and then tap on Select in the upper right corner. What you can also do is you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to Manage Files. And here we have Add to Secure Folder, which is pretty much the same thing. We can transfer files to the secure folder. And in the Manage Files, we can also find Transfer from Secure Folders. You can remove from the secure folder over here. So if you go here, you should be able to see only those files that you have in the secure folder, so you can select them and do exactly the same thing again, either move or copy those selected files. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.